Today I'm helping Daddy and Mommy. So we're gonna have to help Daddy and Mommy every day. Okay?
Okay. So what are you doing today?
I'm helping Daddy.
And what are you helping with?
And helping with Boga.
Yeah, you're putting boga into the Ziploc.
Yeah.
Boga is it kales?
No, it's Boga.
Okay. And we use this to slice them into this kind of piece. Now you're gonna put them in the Ziploc and then store them in the fridge, right? Or the freezer.
Let's do it, guys.
Let's do it.
This is a lot.
Yeah. I'm gonna use them for a whole week.
Fine.
So it's good to always eat healthy.
Yeah,
You
but
eat greens, right? Vegetables.
what happens if you eat candy?
Candy?
Hmm?
Candies are not good.
What happened if you
Candies are
eat
not good for your teeth.
my teeth?
But you have to eat vegetables like this one. Okay, you done?
There's a little bit more.
Oh yeah. Put them all. You need another Ziploc bag?
What? Wait.
I think they can, yeah, just put everything there.
I said, how am I gonna grab my hands with a lot of Boga? Yeah.
Okay, there goes a little helper. This is how you raise a champ. You show them what to do and then they help you with the rest. Just like you did. Right? Did you have fun doing this?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad you helped.
Now what should I do now?
You can close the bag
I
and then you're gonna put it in the freezer.
How do I close
I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you with closing it.
So my daddy helped me to close this thing. So now we're putting it in the freezer.
Okay,
Open it.
that's not the freezer. Wait, the
Oh,
freezer.
this one.
That's the freezer, Eden. Look, we don't have space.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Where should we put this thing?
Let's put it here for now and put it there. See? Thank you for helping. High five.
And I'll give you a spin high five.
All right. There you go. Okay. You want to do the next one?
Yeah.
All right.
What is it?
We're going to wash them first. And then we're going to remove these sticks.
Okay, we're
See?
gonna.
You have to remove these sticks
Yeah,
after we
but-
wash. And then we can put them in the machine.
And then we get another plastic bag and then put all the Boga and then put it in the fridge.
You're right. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, I'll see you in
The next one.
30 hours.
That's a long time to wait, Aiden.
Why?
That's more than a day. But it's okay.
But the mood is gonna come there and I'm gonna be so sleepy.
Okay, you had it from Aiden. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
And give a high five
Give a high five.
and then.